Hello, good evening. Today, Blinking Idiot is back with something new. Consider a hypothetical scenario. Suppose, let us say, you have lost your phone, or let us say, your chain has got stolen while you were traveling in a bus, and you thought you would go to the police station to report the crime. You entered the police station, you request for an FIR to be lodged for the crime that has happened. In most cases, what will happen is the police will ask for the details as to where this theft has happened or crime has happened, and then they will say that this does not fall under our area, it falls under some other police station. So you change the police station, repeat the whole process, the outcome remains same. Why does this happen? This happens because of a very interesting phenomena which is called the Cobra effect. Now, what exactly is that? We'll have to turn the pages of history to understand this effect. At that point of time, India was under the British colonial rule. In Delhi, the number of cobras had increased. They were going around in streets, and a lot of people were getting harmed by cobra bites. So the Delhi government thought of an innovative solution. They thought, why not put a bounty on the head of the cobras? Meaning that if you can kill a cobra and bring it to the government will put a reward on that. Initially, after announcing this reward or announcing this scheme, initially the number of cobras in Delhi reduced. But eventually what happened was people who were the snake catchers were breeding cobras inside their houses in order to generate revenue. They were breeding cobras and they were killing cobras to putting and bringing it in front of the government to get this revenue or get this reward. And eventually that government understood that this may not be the right solution to the problem. So what they did was they stopped this scheme. As in the bounty on the heads of the cobras was closed. And now since there was no value on the head of the cobras, so those who had bred the cobras left them in the gardens, in the streets and everywhere else. So the number of cobras doubled or increased manifold. So the solution that the government wanted to do, or the intention with which this reward scheme was started, backfired, and instead of solving the problem, it worsened the problem at hand. This problem, as in this type of effect or this type of situation, is called Cobra effect. You try to solve a problem, instead of solving a problem, it worsens the problem at hand. Your solution not only does solve the problem, it worsens the problem itself. Now I'll come to why I gave this police station example. This is a very interesting thing that happens in police stations. Police stations are incentivized to keep the crime rates lower, which means if your crime rate in your area is lower, so basically you are incentivized through promotions or whatever. It could be multiple ways of as in you are rewarded. Now, in order to keep the crime rate low, police stations have stopped reporting crimes itself. And this is happening because, so what was the intention of why did they want to do it? As in, why was the solution given? Why was the incentive given to the police station? To keep the crime rates low. By not reporting the crimes or by not lodging the FIRs, the crime itself would go unnoticed and would definitely get increased. So this is all about Cobra effect. Read about the Cobra effect. And there are multiple examples as well. In Hanoi, in 1902, when Hanoi was under the French colonial rule, a similar kind of thing happened with rats. There was a bounty placed on the tails of rats. As in, if you kill a rat, it was infested with rats, and if you kill a rat and bring it to the government, you get some money. Now, at one point of time, the government noticed there was a lot of rats, but without tails. So what these rat catchers were doing was they were cutting the tails and they were putting the rats into the sewers so that they can procreate, and these rat catchers can generate more revenue. So this is all about Cobra effect. This happens in a lot of other places as well, investments, in money markets and a lot of other places. We'll discuss it on some other day. Hope you have liked and hope you have understood what the Cobra effect is. I would request a little bit of reading post this video, and if you like, definitely share, comment, and like in your internal circles. The initial words of encouragement and your constructive criticisms will help me to continue with this blog. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Thank you.